it's 67th day of hardships that she did. Hindi halata, no? Pero pahirap siya. 67th day of 2025 na. For how many years? Hindi pa rin halata. Kasi nagbabago-bago yung mukha ko eh. Tsaka hindi ko pinapansin. Pero, I endure all of your, all of your insecurities and misery that you carry, and then you share it to me, and then you like to share me that to others kasi nanggugulo ka na, sobrang lala na ng ginagawa mo, malala ka na, parang hindi na ako nagtrabaho ng 1.5 years na. So, ka na, sabotahe ka talaga, kahit dati pa. Kaya good luck. Baka there's somebody out there na gumawa ng kalokohan sa'yo, tapos isisi mo na naman sa akin kasi marami nang nakakalam ng ginagawa mo. Hibay, sana hindi kanya tingilan at tantanan. Kita, kakakalon. Good luck!